To record sounds on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you have to just open the app library and now scroll like all the way down until you find the voice application. Now click continue and you can grant location permission if you want. Now click on this red button to start recording, and here you can see location, the length of the video, and that voice line. So if you swipe up like this, you will expand and get more options. For example, you can go back to 15 seconds, but of course, if you pause it, just like this, and when you keep playing, recording, you can even click here to actually split this. There we go. Now, by clicking here on this icon, you can change the playback speed and turn on the studio voice mode. And by clicking here, start recording, and here you can choose oversave your voice. You can see location. There we go. Now, if you want to save this, you have to click here. There we go. And now you can see the new record is available just in this place. So that's all for this video. Please hit the like button and thanks for watching.